M0FXB Hamtech, welcome to my channel. I have been learning DigiPi and I wanted to change my initial configuration. Now I suppose I could just redo the image from scratch, but you can SSH into your SD card, but I'm not very good at that yet. Need to learn more about Linux. But what I have used in the past is this program here on the left called WINSCP, where you effectively log into your, let's call it, SD card and start making changes. Now remember, I'm not teaching, I am learning and you're watching me. So when you first set up DigiPi, fantastic system, wirelessly connects you to WSJTX, FLDigi, you can send APRS, receive it, and you can see the screen there. I think it's an excellent little project. Big thanks to Craig, call sign KM6LYW. So anyway, I've downloaded WINSCP, which looks like this. So we just go to this site here, click download now. It's a free site and it looks like this. Okay. Now what we want to change, let's just close it a minute, start again, is if you look here, we've got call sign, WinLink password, APRS password, grid square. Most of it you don't actually need to change because you've already set it, but sometimes you may need to change your rig number and your device file, also baud rate. Now that I'm sure Craig said that he's going to add a section where you can do that easily, but at the moment you have to go in and do what I do. As far as I know, Craig, please correct me if I'm wrong. So we're going to go to WINSCP and make these changes. So you do need to be on the same network when you log into this, but if you look at the IP address of my DigiPi, and I am running the latest version. And if you're interested, you can download the DigiPi image, you load it onto your Raspberry Pi, and it's just going to work straight away. You don't even need the screen, but it will work. And to get the password for the download, just go to KM6LYW's Patreon page. So back to logging in, again, everything needs to be on the same network. I'll put the IP address in now of my DigiPi. And there we are, all connected, and we can turn on items. For example, I could click turn on WSJTX, click this browser link here, and at WSJTX, if it's connected to my radio 705 for example, will just fire up and start working straight away. And that's what's happening here. Or I could be on 144.800 in the UK, APRS iGate is turned on. I could turn on APRS web chat and start sending messages to my friends. It's that good. You've got Pat WinLink as well, WinLink email server, rig control. A lot of these I haven't even tried out. I noticed that you can even have Craig was playing around with using the radio as a browser and surfing the net. So that was an interesting video. So stop waffling, and I'm going to just go back to here. I'm going to log in. So it's the same IP address 192.168.0.105, and the username is Pi, and then Raspberry. And the first time you log in, you'll get all these messages, but I've already done that. I've logged in once, and we're in. And I found that if I looked, it took me a couple of clicks to find it. The word was localized. Now Craig did tell me it was in localized, but it just meant nothing to me. Until I saw it here. So let me just find it again. So at the top here, see the little down arrow? I chose the one that said Pi. So let's go to try and find Pi again. Found it easy just now. So double click home and then Pi, and then scroll down and you'll see the word localize. There it is there, localize SH. Right click, then go to, where is it? Edit. And it opens up. Okay, so below is the original by the looks of it. Above is the items that I entered. So the rig number that I chose was 3087, and there's the baud rate. Let's look down my little list. New core M0FXB, new WL path. Oh, I wonder what that was, because I didn't put anything in for that. I've got my APRS number, my grid location, my location, longitude, latitude. New node pass, I didn't enter that. There's the rig number, and there's the device file, TTYACMO, and then baud rate. Now, I don't know about this, but my guess is that I can now change this rig number, and I'm going to actually test it by adding my 705, because I'm pretty sure that isn't the 705. Let me check. Yeah, the 705 is 3085. So if we just go change that to 5, like so, and then go save. We just saved it now. Trying to think, right, can I overwrite file? Press delete to delete the file and create a new one instead of overwriting it. Oh, okay. Well, I'm still going to post this video because I just am, yeah? And someone can give me some help, because remember, this is me learning, not teaching. So it says here, server should provide error description, error message failure. Rename the file to name of an already existing file. Create directory. Let's just click delete and see what it does. So maybe you need to log in a way where you can delete files. If I just try and close, it might save anyway. Let's go back in. Let's go to edit again. No, it's still there. So how about if we get some help here about changing? Fill out these accordingly using the examples below. La la la. To replace GPS cardinal suffix with signed decimal, APRS ST web chat. So it looks like there is a way of doing this, but I don't know. I literally do not know how to use. I did get a message from Craig the other day. There is a help group at Discord as well. So what I've done this time, I didn't edit it in Notepad. I just literally changed it on the screen. Let's see if it saves. No, still. General failure. Server should provide error description, error messages. Renaming a file to a name of already existing file, creating directory that exists, moving remote different system, uploading a file, exuding. If I put skip all, does it save? Let's try it. Let's close it. Double click. No, it doesn't save. So someone let me know, what do I do to make it save? Thanks for watching my YouTube. Bye for now. Fun learning though.